good morning, good morning. This is MEYA'S from MEYA'S Food. And today I'm making some teriyaki chicken balls. So it's going to be the chicken, which I'm about to put in a bowl and wash. And we're going to have chicken, broccoli, carrots, and rice. It's going to be delicioso. So let's see how I'm going to do this. Y'all know me. I'll be in and out showing y'all. So I got chicken leg meat. I always smell my chicken before I even use it because I want to make sure it smells like chicken. Different meats smell differently to me. So it smells like chicken. It smells like chicken. So it's chicken. So I'm going to ranch it up. And then I'm going to cut it up. My kitchen scissors, they're in the soapy water right now. Let me wash them. Got my rice going. Y'all know I'm not good with rice, so I gotta keep watching. Me and rice are not friends. I don't do rice good. I just don't do rice good. Okay, hanging on there. Let me make sure I'm fluffing this rice so it don't stick. Oh. I think the rice is looking pretty perfect right now. What y'all think? It's fluffy. Just turn the fire off of it. And just let it marinate. Alright, we got olive oil going in the pan. I'm gonna get this together for y'all though. When I'm doing the cooking with MEYA'S corn. I'm gonna get it together, y'all. I'm gonna have to get me a tripod and all that stuff so I can just have it focused on what I'm doing and I'm not moving the camera all around. But right now, got my new Santa Claus dish my holder. I have all kind of Christmas stuff in my house. Y'all know I love Christmas. House. You still got Christmas stuff? I sure do, because I love me some Christmas. That's my favorite holiday. You love me some Christmas. Hi, boy. Grab me some seasonings. Garlic. Onion powder. So, I've got some onion powder. I've got some garlic powder, I've got some lemon pepper, and I've got some garlic herbs. That's what's going to go in the chicken. And I'm going to cut the chicken up. And sometimes my knife works better, sometimes my scissors work better. So, let me see which one's working better today. I'm going to put it back in this bowl so I can see it. Let's see. And when you fry meat, the leg meat is usually juicier when you fry it. So I'm like to do a low fry, kind of like walking it, like in a wok. But I don't feel like getting I have a wok on top of the refrigerator. I don't feel like getting it down. So I just have this big skillet. And so I'm gonna cut the chicken up into cubes. Like so. Make a cube size. Here's a chicken. I'm gonna leave that fat on there because the fat will render down and make it taste better. And the scissors seem to be working fine. Sometimes my scissors, sometimes my knife, it just depends. But it's just me, James, and Monique, so we like big chunks of chicken, so I don't have to cut them too small. And this is enough for our teriyaki bowls for today and for some chicken tacos tomorrow. So when you cook, always try to cook for the next day too, so you don't have to cook every single day. I get tired of cooking every day. James was asking if we wanted what we're going to do on Memorial Day. We might barbecue again. I'm not sure. Checking with my sister, see what she want to do. But I'm not sure. We're going to see though. We're going to see. We're going to see. And so all of the members on my regular channel will be able to see these videos. Because these videos are going to be strictly members only. Cooking with MEYA'S Coins. And it's going to be on my other channel. So if you want to sign up to my other channel, you'll be able to see it whenever I upload it. But for the members, they'll have it in the members only file, so they can always go see it. I have water boiling because I am going to blanch the vegetables, because we like them kind of hard. We don't like soggy vegetables. So I'm just going to blanch them with some boiling hot water to put on top of the rice bowls, which is going to be cool. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. But I'm trying to get these videos out for y'all. Try my best. I'm gonna try. I don't know what Monique is listening to. I hope y'all can't hear that, so I don't get no copyrights on my video. No copyrights, please. No copyright. I don't own no rights to no music playing in the background. It's outside. It's not even in my house. It's outside. Did I show y'all my new little red teapot? I just love it. It's so cute. It matches my red pot. Again, Christmas theme. Y'all know me. I love Christmas. I'm a Christmas girl. Alright, so I'm just going to speed up this process. When I'm done with the chicken cutting up, I'll be back. I had to cut up the meat first. So it's going to take a couple minutes for it to cook. Be patient. It's barely 12 o'clock. Lack of food. You're funny. Time to eat. The chicken teriyaki bowls are done. Thanks for watching. This is Cooking with MEYA'S Coins. Y'all have a blessed day.